Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your iPad is up to date and that Safari extensions are supported. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Safari. You're not changing home screen layout, you're enabling an extension. Make sure you also open the App Store and search for a Safari extension app you want. Tap Get or Install to download it. This quick setup ensures the extension app is present before you enable it in Safari, which streamlines the next steps and avoids backtracking. You've installed the extension app, now enable it. Go to Settings, tap Safari, then Safari Extensions. Here you'll see the app listed. Toggle the switch to enable the extension. You'll be prompted to grant permissions like access to websites or content blockers. Tap the extension's name to review and adjust options such as allowed sites, page actions, or filter lists. Make adjustments to suit your privacy and functionality needs. And remember that some extensions require you to open their app once to complete setup, before Safari recognizes full functionality. Now test the extension in Safari. Open a page where it's useful and trigger it via the toolbar button or the share menu. Make sure it behaves as expected and tweak permissions in settings if something seems off. To manage or disable later, return to Settings right arrow Safari right arrow Extensions. If the extension doesn't appear, make sure the iPad is updated, force quit and reopen Safari, or reinstall the extension app. This common fix resolves most visibility and permission glitches and gets you back to browsing quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.